Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now, Bitcoin is bouncing from key support while Ethereum is running into important resistance, which I'll talk about in just a moment, so definitely stick around. First of all, starting off on the daily Bitcoin chart, and right now the price is technically still trending in the bearish direction on the daily time frame, but in the more shorter term, price is running into important support based on the volume profile indicator. First of all, we have initial support starting at approximately 20.3k, and this area of support goes all the way down towards around 19,000. More specifically, around 18.8k is where all of this support starts dropping off, which means if we see a confirmed break below 18.8k, like I've said in recent videos here on the channel, that would mean we could see a quick drop to the downside, down towards around 17,500, back down towards these lows. But at least for now, once again, the Bitcoin price is running into this area of support and is currently experiencing a bit of a short-term bounce as expected, because as I've said over the last few days, we are most likely going to see a little bit of stabilization in the shorter term here, most likely some choppy sideways price action in the shorter term. And this is not only because the price is running into support, but also because the daily Bitcoin RSI recently entered into oversold territories, telling us that we've gone too far to the downside too quickly, and we need some time to cool off from all of this bearish price action, some time to basically reset before potentially continuing lower later on, considering this bearish divergence is still playing out as of right now. And as for other levels of support, looking at the Fibonacci retracement tool, first of all, we have the 50% retracement level sitting at around 20.3k, and we also have the golden pocket sitting in between around 18.8k to 19.2k. So that is the most important Fibonacci level. And once again, as I've said in recent videos here on the channel, these Fibonacci levels align very closely with the volume profile indicator. Once again, if we break below 18.8k, that would be a break below the volume profile indicator and a break below this golden pocket. And in that case, the next Fibonacci level is sitting at around 17,500, aligning with the volume profile indicator. And as for resistance, we could find resistance at this previous Fibonacci level of support, which is sitting at around 21.5k. In case we see a bit more of a bounce here, once again, expect resistance at around 21,500. But anyway, now getting into the Ethereum part of this video, this right here is the daily ETH to US dollar chart, and obviously this bearish divergence is still playing out as of right now, which means prices are still trending in the more bearish direction. But of course, over the last 1 to 2 days, we have seen a bit of a short-term bounce, as I've been talking about, and this has been bouncing from this area of support in the volume profile indicator, which is mostly sitting in between around 1350 going down towards around 1260. But we do have a bit of support right here at around 1390 approximately. And as for resistance, right now, as I've recorded this video, the price of ETH is running into this technical level, which was previous support and is now acting as new resistance, and this is sitting at pretty much exactly 1.5k. And now if you're taking a look at the volume profile indicator for resistance, this is starting closer towards 1520, with a lot of resistance sitting closer towards around 1570 to 1590. But at least for now, once again, 1.5k is the level to focus on for resistance. And as for support, taking a look at the Fibonacci retracement tool from swing low to swing high, we've seen pretty much a perfect bounce from the 50% retracement level, which is sitting at around 1360 to 1370. And so at least as of right now, that is an important level of support to pay attention to. And we also have this level of support sitting at around 1450, which as of right now, the price is trading slightly above. But in a more bearish scenario, let's just say if the price actually breaks both of these levels levels of support, then in that case, of course, I'd be looking at the golden pocket coming into play in between around 1270 to around 1290, which fits in nicely with the volume profile indicator down at these lower levels. But once again, just in the shorter term, I mostly expect choppy sideways price action while the price basically stabilizes after this bearish movement, especially while the RSI is very close to oversold territories on the daily time frame for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And now, if you want to know how to maximize your profits in crypto, no matter if the price is going to the upside, to the downside, or simply chopping around sideways, then make sure to watch these videos popping up right here on your screen. The video in the top left shows you how to make money if the price is either bullish or bearish, and the video in the bottom left shows you how to make money if the price is chopping around sideways. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.